Global citizenship. Being a citizen means much more than just living somewhere. It's all about being involved with your community and the people around you. But as the world becomes more and more interconnected, we can see how actions in one place affect people on the other side of the planet. For this reason, we must do our best not only for the people in our country, but for everyone around the world. So what can we do to become global citizens? Take actions to protect the environment. For example, recycle your waste or plant some trees in the local park. Raise money for charities that help people in need in other countries to buy food and medicine. Don't throw away things you don't want. Donate clothing, toys, and appliances to charities. Volunteer with a local group to make a positive change in your community.